after clicking on customize channel, you'll be redirected to your YouTube Creator Studio. Now in the YouTube Creator Studio, under channel customization, you have 3 stages: layout, branding, and basic information. But for this tutorial, we are just going to focus mainly on the branding, because that is where you get to fix in your YouTube banner, your watermark logo, and your picture. So let's jump right into the tutorial, which is creating the YouTube banner using Canva. So you can just go to www.canva.com, sign up if you don't have an account, sign in if you do have an account, and then when you are directed to the home page, in the search box there, just type YouTube banner, and then when you click on the search icon there, a couple of templates will be shown to you. You can just pick any one that catches your fancy, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to create a blank YouTube banner because of the peculiarity of YouTube banners. The next thing to do is to go to Google and search YouTube banner image, because we want to get the dimension, the correct dimension of the YouTube banner, and then you click save the image, because that is what will form our template. So I chose the black one here, and that's the one I like. I'm just going to save it and use it. Then after saving it, go back to Canva, head on to upload. If you know how to use Canva, this will be really easy. Click on upload file, and then you upload the templates that you already have. So I'm going to create a blank page and then fix in the uploaded template, drag it out, stretch it out to the edges, and then make sure everything fits perfectly. Now if you look at this template, you will see this dark gray area. That dark gray area is what is acceptable for YouTube banner on all mobile devices. Okay, and there are certain things your YouTube banner should have. It should have your image, it should have your picture, your image, your channel name, it should have what kinds of content you want to create, it should have when or how regularly you would be posting videos, and if possible, any means that someone can reach you. Okay, so you can choose to say new video every Tuesday or every Friday, whichever day suits you. Or to be on the safer side, you can just choose to write new video every week or new videos every week, depending on how many videos you want to upload every week, or maybe every 2 weeks, or whichever one you choose, right? So you can see my channel name is there, Content Queen. I have the kinds of content I create just for the sake of this tutorial, which is tutorials, vlogs, finance, and then I'm saying new video every week. And then the last one would be my email for anyone who wants to contact me. So I'm just going to say for a sponsorship or collaboration, email me at contentqueen@gmail.com. Sorry, and I'm just going to put that there because this is really important, because some people would want to contact you to work with them, and it's not everyone that might go to your description, which is your about, to get your email address from there. Some will just click on your channel and look at your YouTube banner. If that information is there, then it makes things really easy for them. So just resize, use the appropriate fonts you want to use, the appropriate color, align it correctly. If not, use Canva. This is a plus for you, and Canva is not hard to use. It's very easy. And then so I'm just going to delete the templates, okay, and change the color of all the texts from white to this brown color so that everything will show. I'm just going to, you know, add some effects to particular texts, align it very well, and just make sure everything is within that gray box, because that is the safe area. Anything out of that box will not show on mobile devices, especially. Now anything out of that box might show when you use desktop, but you know that many people do not watch YouTube with desktop, they use their mobile phone. So you want to create something that is mobile friendly as well, especially if you ask me. So make sure everything is in that box, and to be sure that everything is in that box, what you can do is to go back to your uploads and get the templates again, just to be sure that everything is there. So I'm just going to add a little structure to it, because I don't like the way it's looking so plain. I need to make it look really good. I'm going to add this particular color to my design, right? And then position it at the back because I want my image to come to the front. Yes, so my image is in front now, and then the color of the text is not showing anymore, so I have to take it back to that white text and then change all the colors of the text to white. So you can see the contrast is really good. And don't just use any color, use your brand colors. Like, of course, there are so many things you have to consider when starting a YouTube channel, and getting brand colors is one of those things. So pick your brand colors, the kind of font you want to use, the kind of template style, so many things. So I'm just going to verify that this brown box is actually in the safe area, and that all the text, all my pictures, every single thing I have here is in that safe area. So I'll just click on the template again and then make sure I resize it perfectly to the YouTube banner size, and then reduce the transparency. So now that I've reduced the transparency, I can actually see that everything, all my text, every single text is still in the safe area, which is really good. I'm just going to delete the template. That was a mistake. I'll just delete the template and then go straight to downloading. So I'm done. Like, this is just a basic design. You can decide to use this one because I'm going to leave the link to this particular template for you guys if you want to use it, or you can decide to, you know, get inspiration from somewhere else and just, you know, jazz up your design or do whatever you want to do in your design. But make sure that your design is in line with the kind of content that you create. Okay, if you're a minimalist person, stick to being a minimalist person. Like, just stick to having a minimalist design and just get that done for your channel. I just added these flowers to make it a little more bright because it was looking so plain, right? So just arrange it. It may not be perfect the first time you do it. It may not be perfect, so which is why you have the template to keep on editing and seeing how things go. I remember the first time I created my YouTube banner for my channel, Anywhere Rumor Content Queen. It took me a while, like almost a whole day, because then I didn't have this hack. I didn't know how to use this particular style, so it took me a really long time to get it done. But when I finally got it done, I was really happy with the results, and you can check my channel out to see. So we're just going to download it, and we download just the first page, and it's always in PNG format. That's the perfect format for pictures. It's really good when it comes to digital pictures. So now that we are done, we are going back to our YouTube Creator Studio, and then time to upload my banner. You can see that it says viewable on all devices. The part that is highlighted is viewable on all devices. So if you check with your mobile phone, this is how this is going to look like. But the other part that has the flower that did not show is viewable in desktop, which is still perfectly okay. So I'm just going to leave it like that because I think I'm okay with it. So once you click on publish, you can then view your channel, and this is what your channel will look like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.